Founded in 2016, Chenmo has forged ahead with unwavering dedication for nearly a decade, evolving into a professional new energy enterprise. Our core businesses cover 5 segments: industrial and commercial new energy power plant investment and engineering, domestic new energy supply chain, overseas new energy distribution systems, residential new energy solutions, and new energy operation integration. Backed by solid strength, we hold complete qualifications including Grade 3 electric power engineering, general contracting and grade for electric power installation, maintenance and repair, ensuring compliant project implementation. With an experienced professional team, we deliver tailored end-to-end solutions from pre-project feasibility study to operation and maintenance, upholding the core values of professionalism, reliability, efficiency. Headquartered in Xiamen, Fujian, we have expanded globally to Hong Kong, China, Vietnam, the Philippines, Germany, Poland, Spain, Italy, France, and the US. Let's explore green transformation for a sustainable future.